In this video, we are going to see how we can unzip files that is zipped directly in Windows 11. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. First of all, we have this zip folder, and if you want to view it, unzip it, or extract it, the most simplest method of doing it is you just right click on this and you get the option to extract all, and you don't have to change the destination or do anything else. The extracted files will be shown as the unzip is complete. Click on extract and it will create a similar identical folder with the unzipped one. Now the other way of doing this is if you have a lot of files in that specific zip folder, what you can do is just open up that folder first and then just choose a specific file that you want to extract. Right click on that, and then I can either open it separately, or if you want to move it out of the zip folder, you can just cut that, copy that, or you can drag it to the desktop. Let's say in this case, let me just resize my window and let me just move it to the desktop. So I'll move it like this, and that is how you can do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.